Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. It was done using the script shown above me, which uses a combination of dots and lines in conjunction with different shaped circle stems to make the words. So let's go ahead and get into this design, which says Andrea, and you start reading at the bottom and then you go counterclockwise, like a time traveler going back in time. So here's the bottom here, and our first letter is this circle floating outside of our word circle. These three little guys are vowels, and an A is positioned outside our word circle. And if we look at this letter stem here, see how it's a much bigger circle than these three? That means it's a consonant letter stem. And if this A were shifted over here, it would be attached to that N, but because it's by itself and not in line with that N, you read it first. So there's a little bit of word and letter order shenanigans there. But anyway, A is first, continuing around. Here we have a full circle inside of our word circle, and there's one line sticking off of it. So this swirly line here ends on the N, and that makes it an N because one line plus a full circle inside the word circle, so that column of the one line and then the row of the full circle makes that an N. And then we have this deep divot. So it's in the top row because it's like a horseshoe or an omega, a circle that's almost complete. And there are 1, 2, 3 dots on that, making it a D. So almost complete circle row, and then the 3-dot column makes that a D. And in the same column with 3 dots, 1, 2, 3 dots, we have this R. The difference being instead of an almost complete circle, it is a shallow divot, so 50% or less of a circle. Here's an E on the line of our word circle and another A, so these two A's are just like each other. So A-N-D-R-E-A, Andrea. And I went with the swirlier style with this just because I saw the opportunity to make this big dot swirl, and excuse me, wanted to make another swirl to kind of counter with that one, and then I think it'll look as nice kind of swirly start and finish to that stories in the end quote you had, just to make it a little bit stylistically different, but not, completely different. So yeah, that's that design. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.